Hey friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Subnautica game not loading or stuck on loading screen problem, black screen issue or stuck on black screen problem on Android phones. So without wasting time, here follow the fixes. Now the first fix is to simply restart your Android device. So just restart your device, and after your device restart, then you can go ahead, launch the Subnautica app and check if a problem is solved or not. Next solution is to check for this Subnautica app update. So open Play Store, tap on search for Subnautica and then search for it. And if you find any updates available for this app, then update it, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Solution 3 is to check for the internet connection. So please check and make sure that your internet is working properly. Now if you are connected to Wi-Fi, then switch to mobile data and then check. And if you're connected to mobile data, then switch to Wi-Fi, and then you can go ahead, launch the Subnautica app and check if a problem is solved or not. If possible, then you can also try to connect to different Wi-Fi network or mobile data network via hotspot and then check Subnautica app is working or not. Solution 4 is to force stop Subnautica app. So tap and hold the Subnautica app icon, then tap on app info and then tap on force stop and confirm it, and then you can go back, launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then also tap on storage usage, tap on clear cache and confirm it, and after clearing the cache, go back, launch the game and check if a problem is solved or not. If not, then also tap on clear data, but please take a note, clearing the app data will delete app data including files and settings permanently from this device. So if you agree, only then tap on delete to confirm it, and then you can go back, launch the game and check. Next solution is to allow the background activity for this Subnautica app. So again tap and hold this Subnautica app icon, then tap on app info, then go to the battery usage and then select the first option, allow background activity, and then again click on allow to confirm, then go back, launch the game and check. Next solution is to connect to VPN. So open Play Store, tap on search for a VPN and search for it, and then you can install any VPN of your choice from the Play Store, such as Express VPN, Turbo VPN, Proton VPN, Super VPN, Ninja VPN, Nord VPN, Octohide VPN. So you can install any VPN of your choice from the Play Store, then launch the VPN app, connect to a different location than your current location, and then launch Subnautica app and check if a problem is solved or not. Now if you are already connected to a VPN, then disconnect it and then check. Now after following all these fixes, if still your problem is not solved, then last solution is to uninstall and reinstall Subnautica app. So tap and hold this Subnautica app icon, then tap on uninstall, and then again click on uninstall to uninstall it, and then just restart your device once. And after your device restart, open Play Store, tap on search for Subnautica and then reinstall it, and after reinstalling the game, you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Now if still your problem is not solved, then the last thing you must do is to check for the Subnautica app server status. And if you find that the server status is offline, under maintenance or having any kind of outages, then you can't do anything. You have to just wait for the server status to get back online, and then you can check. So by following these fixes, you can easily solve Subnautica game not loading or stuck on loading screen problem, black screen issue or stuck on black screen problem on Android devices. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.